Welcome to Today Learn. This is a long English speaking practice video. If you practice with this video every day, your English speaking will improve step by step. Relax your body, clear your mind. Take a deep breath. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen and speak. You do not need fast English. You need clear English. Now listen and repeat slowly. I am ready to practice English. I am calm. I am relaxed. I feel good. I feel confident. Repeat again. I am ready to practice English. I am calm. I am relaxed. I feel good. I feel confident. Good. Now speak with me. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. Repeat slowly. I go to work. I work all day. I take a break. I come back home. I rest at night. This is simple daily English. This is real English. Now talk about yourself. My name is Jiao. I am from Dao. I live in Ak. I work as I. I am learning English. Repeat again. I want to improve my English. I want to speak confidently. I practice every day. Good. Now speak about your feelings. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel confident. Repeat slowly. Today I feel good. Today I'm learning English. Now speak about yesterday. Yesterday I woke up early. Yesterday I went to work. Yesterday I ate food. Yesterday I rested. Yesterday I practiced English. Repeat again. Now speak about today. Today I woke up early. Today I am watching this video. Today I am practicing English. Today I am learning something new. Now speak about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will wake up early. Tomorrow I will go to work. Tomorrow I will practice English. Tomorrow I will improve myself. Very good. Now listen carefully and answer. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How is your day? Now answer slowly. My name is Jiao. I am from Dao. I work as God. My day is good. Do not hurry. Speak clearly. Now practice polite English. Please help me. Thank you very much. Sorry, I'm late. Excuse me. These sentences are very important. Now speak without fear. I am not afraid to speak English. I make mistakes, but I learn. I practice every day. I believe in myself. Repeat again. I can speak English. I am improving step by step. I will never give up. Now look around you and speak. I see a wall. I see a light. I see a phone. I see a chair. Keep speaking. I am sitting now. I am listening carefully. I am practicing English speaking. I feel more confident now. Good. Now speak again. I like learning English. I enjoy speaking practice. I want to improve my life. Sometimes English feels difficult. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I continue practicing. This is how you learn. English is not magic. English is practice. 5 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day. 40 minutes a day. Every practice counts. Now repeat the final sentences. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I am getting better every day. Repeat again. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I am getting better every day. Excellent. Keep practicing and keep speaking. Never stop learning. This is Today Learn. Thank you for practicing with me. See you